When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and until then you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite.
Good morning everybody. Today's video we are going to be back on the Mustang. We're going to finish putting the front control arms in, finish off the driver's side, which is the left hand side coilover. Then hopefully behind me we're going to finish, well we're not going to finish, we're going to put the engine in. I want to keep things going with this build. I want it to be as quick as possible, and most of it is just bolt up stuff. There is a bit of fabrication we need to do, and that's mainly in the rear end with the transmission mount and the transmission tunnel. There's a bit of bracing we have to do there. Little tool holder. Doesn't get out of the way.
No, he's sleeping.
On goes the light. Doubters all the night, and until then you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Plant the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you standing on wishing. Ignite. Plant the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you standing on wishing. Ignite. Plant the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you standing on wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and until then you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Plant the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you standing on wishing. Listen, do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with your own vision. Now is my time to shine. Let's go. When your time comes, don't postpone it.
Got the whole front end in now, all the suspensions up in, the steering arms are in. I've gone through and put all new split pins in everywhere. There's a couple of steering hoses we need to order, but the majority of it's done. There's new tie rod new tie rod ends in, just squeezing up here in the engine room. So this thing is coming together insane. It's so easy to work on. So yeah, everything looks good. We were about to drop the motor in, but we've actually decided to put the brake master cylinder on. Just while we're going through and doing the front end, we've also got some really cool RRS oversized sway bar links. Drop in right up underneath here on your lower control arm. It's a little bit hard to see. So yeah, they bolt in there, and it sort of drops your sway bar down so it can clear a large motor or a larger sump or a bigger exhaust if you're going to run a turbo or something.
All the night, and until then you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night, and until then you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Plant the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you standing on wishing. Ignite. Plant the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you standing on wishing. Ignite. Plant the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten.
She's got some compression. Alright, so we've got this all ready now. Got the engine crane ready, got everything ready. We're going to lift it up and drop this motor in.
Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and until then you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light.
So now we've got the engine all ready to drop in. We've just slipped on the custom made exhaust pipes or header pipes, whatever you like to call them. These were made by Trevor from CES, who also did the dump pipes for the R32 Skyline. These things are obviously epic and they will flow unbelievable. With the 302 head, which are from BG Engines, you can see they're engraved on the side. There's actually two options for exhaust ports, and one's big, one's small. I'll just slip behind you here. So this is the two options we've got. That's the standard option, which is sort of your standard size exhaust port. And then there's a much bigger port, and there's outside bulbs. So unfortunately, we've only got the standard gasket. When I got these things made, I didn't get the individual exhaust gaskets. And also these spark plug leads are very close to the side of the headers. There's a small chance that we may have to wrap these headers in an exhaust wrap, in a black exhaust wrap like this stuff here, which is, I hate touching it, but it does work really well. So we may have to wrap them up. It's just sort of not the best look. Some guys like it, I don't. I reckon the raw exhaust is awesome. This is actually it's a Windsor 302, but it's a dart block, so it's been stroked to a 366, which is like a 6 litre, I guess. So it's a 6 litre Ford engine, push rod. It's one of their best engines, I guess, in terms of like how many were produced. They were in everything from the Falcons here in Australia to pretty much all the Mustangs in America, right up to when they fuel injected. They still use the same block, just put a fuel injection system on it.
Listen, do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with your own vision. Now is my time to shine. Let's go. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubting out, you don't condone it. Truth be told.
We're going to end today's video there. The engine's in and we've had a great day working on the Mustang. I don't know if you can see on camera, but the details to this thing looks insane. We couldn't put the headers on because we didn't have the right gaskets, so we'll have to put them on another time. I think we can slip them down in there, or we just have to lift the motor up a bit. I was pretty keen to cut a hole in the bonnet and sort of run a reverse cowl or something, but it looks too nice, so we're going to try and remove that riser. We might drop a few horsepower, but the carburetor will sit lower, and then that way we can get the bonnet on. The hinges look good, the paint looks good. It was a bit of a pain in the ass trying to get that engine in. Like, it just, I reckon this car, being a 1967, it's probably been in an accident, or just over the years it's twisted. I also put a chassis strengthening kit through this car, so it could have been that it sort of stiffened it up, and I can't quite squeeze the engine mounts together, so I'm going to have to sort of get a come along and just pull it together a bit. But all the steering's in, suspension's in, coilover's in. So on that note, we're going to finish the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see with the S15 build that's coming along in the next few weeks, and yeah, let us know what you think of the Mustang.